Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the temperature sensor with a Hi Limit Thermistor. It's going to be a very easy job. It's going to take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a Torx 20 screwdrivers, a 5/16" nut driver, a 5/8 open-ended wrench, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new temperature sensor with the Hi Limit Thermistor. The temperature sensor with the Hi Limit Thermistor is installed in a water heater housing. It monitors the water temperature and serves as a safety, cutting power off to the heater if the temperature exceeds the safe limit. If the water won't heat, causing dirty dishes, the temperature sensor with the Hi Limit Thermistor should be checked and replaced if needed. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the two screws on the sides of the base panel out. Remove the base panel. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws on the sides that hold the outer door. Close the door and pull the outer panel down and out to remove it. Take the two Torx 20 screws out. Free the plastic bracket and remove the inner access panel. Put the towel and the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Open the dishwasher door and using the Phillips screwdriver, take out 2 screws that mount the dishwasher to the counter. Pull out the dishwasher from under the counter about halfway. Remove the Torx 20 screw and pull out the side cover on each side of the dishwasher. Remove the hinge links covers, one on each side. Don't lose them, we are going to need them again. Using the pliers, remove the white plastic door cable hooks from the door hinges. Take out the 2 Torx 20 screws in front and 2 in the back that holds the base to the cabinet. Now we'll get inside the dishwasher. Open the door and pull out the lower dish rack. Remove the lower spray arm by pulling it straight up. Unscrew and remove the filter basket, turning it counterclockwise. Remove the fine filter. Take out the 2 Torx 20 screws that hold the spray arm support to the sump housing. Next, take out 2 Torx 20 screws and remove both sump supports. Close the door and place the dishwasher on its back. Be careful, it's a bit heavy. Make sure you're not putting it on any hoses. Prepare to catch some water. Remove the water inlet to sump hose from the retainer and then pull it out of the sump. Rotate the hose out of the way. Pull the base of the dishwasher cabinet. Remove the drain pump. Press down the locking tab and turn the pump clockwise. Be prepared to catch some water. Release the tabs at the bottom of the circulation pump and free it and the sump from the base. Pull out the drain outlet hose from the sump. Remove the sump and the circulation pump assembly and place it on the dishwasher. If the gasket is not clean, remove it from the sump and wash it. Also, wash the seat in the sump and on the bottom of the dishwasher. Remove the cover from the temperature sensor. Disconnect the 2 wire plugs from the old sensor. Push the locking tabs out and remove the old temperature sensor from the heater housing. It's kind of hard, you may need to use some force. Remove the O-ring seal from the old sensor. This is the old temperature sensor with the Hi Limit Thermistor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Place the O-ring seal onto the new temperature sensor. Apply some liquid soap or detergent on the ring. Install the new sensor into the opening. Push it down until it locks in. You may have to push aside the locking tabs. Connect the 2 wire plugs. They can only go in one way. Install the safety cover. Push it down to lock. Install the clean seal into the sump. Place the sump and the circulation pump assembly in. Install the assembly on the dishwasher base and lock the mounting straps on. Connect the sump outlet hose. Push it in all the way. Align the locking tabs and install the drain pump. Turn it counterclockwise to lock in. Push the base in, watch for the sump and all of the 4 supports. Make sure that the rubber base is under the sump. Insert the water inlet to sump hose and push it in as far as it will go. Slowly lift the dishwasher upright. Secure the base of the dishwasher cabinet with the 2 Torx 20 screws in front and 2 at the back. Open the door and install 2 sump supporters and secure them with the 2 Torx 20 screws. Install both Torx 20 spray arm support screws. Then goes the fine filter. Screw in the filter basket, turning it clockwise. Reinstall the lower spray arm by pushing it in until it locks. Make sure it turns free. Slide in the lower dish rack. Using the needle nose pliers, reconnect both door link hooks onto the hinges. Install the link covers. Install the side cover and secure it with a 1 Torx 20 screw. Repeat the procedure on the opposite side. Reinstall the dishwasher under the counter. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16 inch nut driver. Install the inner access panel and the plastic bracket, and then secure it with the 2 Torx 20 screws. Install the outer door panel, slide it up and push it in at the bottom. Secured with the 6 Torx 20 screws on the sides. Install the base panel and secure it with the 2 Phillips screws. Secure the dishwasher to the countertop with 2 Phillips screws. Close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.